Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. My name is Mohammed. In this video lecture, I am discussing you convert small amount into BNB coin and can buy and sell. Okay, if your account, Binance exchange account, there is any small amount like a pips or points, 0 point something, that's also useful. You can that small amount use to convert it into BNB is a Binance coin. Convert it into Binance coin and utilize that, buy and sell. Now I am showing to this practical demonstration how to convert small amount into BNB coin and buy and sell into what? In Binance exchange account. Okay, how to convert small balance to BNB? Click here to select and convert it. Approximately BNB value 0.0015. Click here to confirm. Conversion successfully converted. Okay, click here to conversion history. As you will see here, 0.00031 fee and 0.001519. This is BNB conversion. Okay, as you will see, when I am checking here, BNB is a Binance coin. Nano Nano to BTC, Nano to BUSD. Okay, Nano BUSD. I have already selected here. Okay, as you will see here, but now I am selecting BNB, BNB to BTC or USDT, BNB to USDT. As you will see here, my BNB balance is 0.00151. Okay, price 125.5. Okay, Binance is the best place to buy and sell Bitcoin and exchange into other currencies. Okay, Binance is supported Visa cards, bank accounts, local and international, both of them. And Easy Pesa, Jazz Cash, and all other cryptocurrencies. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. P2P exchange is also available in Binance. Okay, either you want to deposit money from your bank account or Visa card, you can do it. It is also best place. Okay, just click here. First register your account. This link you will find in the description of this video, and start buy and sell in this exchange.